Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review and installation video on these butterfly locks that I received. So if you guys want to check that out and get the tea on these, make sure you guys stay tuned. But before you go, you already know why, because I say this in every video. Do your girl a favor and go hit that subscribe button. Oh yeah, stay tuned. Hey guys, all right, so I'm showing you the braiding pattern, which is the illusion method. This here is from Croliya. They sent this over to me. It is an Amazon company. So I'm just going to show you what came in the package. You get 6 packs, the crochet needle, and some hair jewelry. So first I'm going to oil my scalp with my favorite Mael Organics almond mint oil. I love this stuff. And I'm just doing this the crochet method. So as I'm showing you, slide the needle through, open it up, put the hair in, close the needle, pull the hair through, and then pull the remaining hair through that loop. So I'm just showing you the length. The length is 14 inches. Now, I will say the loop on the hair is pretty thick, but once you pull the hair through, it's good. And with the illusion method, I'm able to pull it up in a ponytail, do various styles. So this took me probably about 30 to 45 minutes, if that, probably about more so 30 minutes to install. That's why I absolutely love the illusion braiding method, because literally you can put your hair in and go on about your day. Now, this came with 6 packs, like I stated earlier, but I only end up using 5 of them because I like for my hair to still look kind of natural. So this is probably about 2 packs. And as you guys can see, I can pull it up in a high ponytail. And I've installed one side, including my braids in the back. And yeah, here is the final look. Stay tuned for the review. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get into the tea of this hair. I received these butterfly locks from Croliya Hair. Shout out to them for sending these over to me to try out. These are 14 inches butterfly locks, and it is in the shade 1B. Okay, so they sent me over 6 packs. As you guys saw in the video, I only installed, well, as I stated in the video, I only installed 5. And this is pretty full to me. Yeah, this is my first time trying out butterfly locks. So I've done distressed soft locks before. If you guys have not checked out that video, I'll make sure I put a card up here. And yeah, so one thing I will say, they're not heavy at all, but I don't know, like I think they're just a little too stiff for me. I've seen some other brands where they seem to have a little bit more flowing and everything like that. I don't know. And then another thing was like the ends. Let me show you guys the ends. This is color on my nails. I don't have anything going on, but like the ends, they're really frizzy. I did have to cut some of the ends, and I'm probably gonna go in with some mousse. When I received the package, the hair didn't have any kind of smell or anything like that to it. It was pretty, and the loops were pretty easy to install in the video, which is a plus, because I do know what it's like when you're literally like pulling the loop, like yanking it through for it to open up, for you to be able to get the needles through and then to actually pull the rest of the lock through. So that's one good thing about this hair. Now the price of this, I think, runs around about $50 or so. I'll leave all of that down below. Let me show you guys. This is what it looks like in the back, in the front. Let me show you what it looks like in the back. And although I didn't show it in the video, but when it came down to my cornrows, I literally take like one finger width and install them in, because I really don't like for it to be really bulky. That's why I only installed 5 out of the 6 packs. And this looks pretty natural to me. Overall, out of this install, I'm gonna give this, so far, I'm gonna rate this probably maybe a 7 out of 10, because the ends and everything, I don't know. And then like the unraveling of the hair, I know it's supposed to be distressed. It may just be me, but I don't know. I'm trying to allow this style to like really grow on me. Maybe because it's just a different look. I don't know. I mean, because not to be like cocky, but I mean, I can kind of make a hairstyle shake something like this. That's just me being honest. But I don't know. It's like, it's gonna grow on me, because to me, like, I don't know if you guys can see this. If you guys can, comment that down below. But although I installed these today, it looks like I've had these in for a little bit over a month. So they don't really look as fresh or anything like that. I don't know. I put some hair jewelry on there to kind of spruce it up. I'm gonna rock these for a couple of days to see if this style like really grows on me. I don't know if it's because I really like my hair super long or not, or I don't know, but I'm gonna rock it, and then I think this will actually grow on me. I think I'm just kind of having a moment right now, but yeah, I'm gonna actually take some mousse once I finish this up and see if that'll make a difference. But yeah, I will leave all of their information down below so you guys can check them out. If you guys want to give them a try, I say go for it. I say go for it. I'm gonna see what it's gonna be like for me. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Let's be friends. And yeah, as always, bye guys.